So we are racing up and let's see who wins and enjoying the opening of lockdown. This park is Prince Alfred Park. So yeah, see, I'm fumbling. I'm fumbling because I'm not. Oh, now. Bro, I thought you laughed. So this is Wooly Wooly Walk. And that I've also not recorded the video when I made sorry. Today I was like, no, stop. Beautiful day. But now I decided I'm not gonna take any retakes. I'm just gonna do it. So I'm gonna do it. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'm making a vlog after a very long time, and I've been thinking from a very long time to make a vlog. So today I decided I have to make a vlog because it's Sunday and I have to get back onto it, and it's my passion. So I thought, why not start it again. So this is gonna be my first video after a very long time. So today I'm meeting a friend from Trinity. We are meeting midway from his place to my place. And we have not decided what are we gonna do. So we thought, let's meet first and then decide what are we gonna do, what are the places we're gonna see. So this vlog is gonna be really random. So I just wanted to get onto the vlogs and start making it. So I thought, why not just start making it, put anything. So I'm gonna just do that, and I hope you enjoy it. So this is where we decided to meet. This is Prince Alfred Park, and I arrived a bit early because I left a bit early thinking that I'm gonna make a vlog. So yeah, now I'm here. He's about to reach and I'll see you after that. Park is nearly 1 kilometer from my home, and I used to come here for run. It has a lot of facilities, like for example basketball, tennis, and there is a swimming pool also, and usually there are a lot of dogs. So yeah, it has a lot of facilities. I'm actually fumbling because see, there is one dog. I'm actually fumbling because I'm making a vlog after a very long time, and I've been thinking like I'm gonna make it today, and I've been going from places to places, but I couldn't just make it. And sometimes I recorded videos and I couldn't edit it, but today I decided, okay, stop complaining, stop procrastinating. So I thought I'm gonna do it, so let's do it. So here I am. So that's the swimming pool there, and this is the other side of the park. So there are like rides and other stuff. It's a beautiful park. This area is called Central. I saw him. Is that him? Can you spot him? Yeah, I think that's him. So JL, today I'm going to show him the Darling Harbour, and he has not been here, so he's just looking like, what is this, what is that? And there are people dancing there. So he's thinking that they are making TikTok, but I think that's kind of a real regular meetup, like every Saturday, Sunday. So I just want to show you the crowd. Look at the crowd today. So today I'm going to show the new link from he's looking at me because I'm taking so many retakes, and this is because I'm making video after so long. So yeah, coming back to the point, today I'm going to show him the link that is now has been constructed, so from Darling Harbour till Circular Quay, and it's amazing, the beautiful walk. Joel, how are you finding Darling Harbour?
Yeah, good man.
Good? Is it the first time you're seeing it?
Yes.
We are roaming around at National Maritime Museum, and we are seeing all the boats here. So to go inside we have to get a ticket, but the ticket counter is closed, so we're just gonna see from the outside and all the boats which are being parked. This is my first time as well coming like this inside, because I've only come till the counter, and after that I never came inside till here. So it's interesting, very beautiful. Look at the view.
I wonder how old it is.
From the looks of it, it looks new. So this is the whole new part which is being built from here. So this is all new, and we started walking at the new place. And so this is Wulu Wulu Walk, and all of it is new, and they have opened it. So this directly connects to the circular quay. Yeah. He's curious like what is behind this, so he's watching that. Let's record him doing that. So what did you find? This is amazing, and this is all part of the walk. People usually come here and do picnic, they sit around and see the sunset. This is a perfect spot for sunset. So we're nearly done with this walk, and this park is called the Barangaroo Reserve. So if you want to come and have picnic, a lot of people having picnics, sitting here, enjoying the opening of lockdown. This is the end of that walk from Darling Harbour till here, and which directly opens up. So from here you can go to the circular quay, or from here you can go back to the Darling Harbour. So there are two ways. So right now we're going to see the circular quay. We're walking down to random places and getting inside. So this is called Walsh Bay, which is on our way to circular quay. So they're like, everything is closed here because most of the people are at Darling Harbour. It's pretty busy. Tired and hungry, so we are just cutting off short here, and that's a jail side, yeah?
Yeah.
And we'll see where it goes. So we are racing up, and let's see who wins. And
Did you win? You get a beer.
okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, Linda! I'm winning!
Bro, I'm winning. Careful, bro. Yeah. Oh no, my foot wasn't there. No, my foot wasn't there. Too bad. I'm so proud. So we're taking a shortcut because we both are pretty hungry. So we're nearly done with the video, and we're just looking to have some food. We have just entered the rocks, looking around, and I think that was my first vlog after so long, and I hope you like it. So if you like it, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section below if you like the video. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.